This is Just Eats. I'm so glad you're here with us today. I don't know who us is because it's just me and I guess Susie. Anyway, okay, today we're gonna make a super easy pasta for, well, when you don't have stuff in your house. I just had onions and wine that day, so I'm calling it the onion and wine pasta for when you don't have food in your house and you're hungry. Okay, yay! I'm so glad you guys are here today because we're gonna make something super fast, super quick, and kind of really good. This is the pasta that I used to make when I didn't really have any ingredients and I like drinking wine, so I just had onions and wine and then it became a pasta. So yeah, I serve this all the time. My friends really love it. I'm sure you guys will too. So really, you're just gonna need a few ingredients. This is my onion. It's so pretty, no? A regular onion. At that time I had shallots, but you can use red onion, white onion. I'm gonna use a combination just because the white and the red will be kind of sweet and kind of hot, and it's yummy. If I start crying, oh well, for all the peel. Obviously I have no knife skills. Hey, I'm not crying. I have sniffles, but I'm not crying. I think my heart is made of stone. Why am I chopping these up if I'm gonna put it in a chopper anyway? That's because my chopper is small. If you have a food processor, that would be better. This is my manual chopper. I like it because it feels like you're taking out your anger in life. Okay, I've cried. But it's okay. And then you just release all your anger. Ah! Oh, I can't see anymore. And then we're just gonna start cooking it already. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this and then we're gonna get our stove set up. Yay! I have here my pan, which is heating already. There I have it on a medium heat. And then I like to put my oil in a spray bottle just because it's easy to line the pan with it. I'm using a deep pan. This is actually a semi-wok. Just so I can toss in the pasta when it's ready. It's really so easy. Here my water is boiling. And I have added salt to that already, just so you can also flavor your pasta. Super easy. I'm just gonna saute a bit of onions with some oil, and then I'll add more olive oil later. You just want to wilt them a bit. When I was making this, I was really just hungry, and really the only thing I had in my house were onions, wine, and some cheese, because I don't know. And for this, you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm gonna lower the heat already. There you go. And then I'm just gonna wilt my onions a bit. And there, we're just gonna wait for it to wilt a bit. And then you just add your red wine and then season, that's it. Super easy. I have my half a cup here, and you just want to put half a cup of red wine. I had whatever red wine I had at home. This one is a Tempranillo. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but I like this wine, so yay. You just want to sort of put it and there, let it soften. That's gonna cook in about 5 minutes. I use extra virgin olive oil just because it has the most flavor, but you can use what you want. But yeah, extra virgin olive oil with the onions and the wine and the cheese will add really a nice enough flavor for such few ingredients. There, so really easy. The pasta's nice and I have some salt here. It's about a teaspoon of salt. It's really up to you how much you want to put. Again, it's more of seasoned to taste. Yeah. So if you want it really salty, you can, but do it a little at a time, because you can't pull back. I mean, you can't go back and unsaltify it. Especially when your ingredients are just onions, like you don't have a sauce. some cheese later. Now I like to use angel hair pasta just because it's nice as an oil pasta. You can use whatever pasta you like. I just like that this goes well with such a light sauce. It's just onion and olive oil. Not done yet. Okay, a few more minutes. And then we'll be done. And it's that fast. Really, that fast. Okay, I'm just gonna clean up a bit because it's a mess. And then you don't want to overcook your pasta, so you kind of just want to get one and make sure that it's maybe like 1 more minute. I know this looks like muck. It doesn't look appetizing, but I swear it's so good. I acknowledge that it is not the most photogenic pasta. Okay, pasta's done. I'm just gonna strain this. Now, when I strain my pasta, I like to gather some of the pasta water just in case it becomes too dry. But there. And then you put it right on here. And then you just toss it. There, super easy. We're done. Around this time is when you wanna put your cheese. You can use a nice Parmesan. A hard cheese would be nice. So really, it's really just red wine, onion, and cheese. Salt and pepper. I honestly don't know how chefs make pasta look nice on a plate. And then you just have your cheese on top. And that's it! It's done! I'm done! I'm done. Okay! I'm sweating! I'm sorry. Okay, but yeah, that's how easy it is. Onion and wine pasta with cheese, and I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, that was good. I want more salt. Excuse me, pot. You stay there. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna continue eating my pasta. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see other kinds of recipes, other kinds of pastas, let me know. Put it up in the comment. If you like the video, then like it. Yay! Subscribe if you want to see more videos. And if you want to see other recipes, if you have other questions, just drop me a line. Bye! I'm gonna feed other people now. Okay! Get our stove set up. Yay! Okay. Wow!